Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you have gotten around to getting on here. This is for your science for Friday, which would actually be November 13th, so Friday the 13th. Hopefully, it's not an unlucky day. Hopefully this is a good project for you here. Again, hope things went well for anybody, for all of you, I should say, that you have everything kind of finished up. I'm going to use today more as a finish up. Hopefully it's an easy day for science. Okay, so what I want you to do today is to draw one of our 8 animals that we have talked about from there. So Galapagos tortoise, the plain zebra, the African elephant, the 8 that we have discussed on our zoo project throughout this week and last week. So realistic drawing, no cartoons. I want a realistic drawing as best that you can. I'm not grading you on your art ability. I'm not grading there. I'm going to base it on, did you try your best? Did you put in the effort and did you put in the time? If I can tell that you spent 5 minutes on it, then you're probably not going to get the highest grade. If I can tell that you spent 30 minutes or so on it or more, then that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm basing it on effort instead. You can see I have one pulled up here. Totally hand drew this myself. Totally did. Didn't find this picture on the internet or anything. It was totally me. I drew this whole thing. Just go with that. We'll just go with that. It's totally not an image that I downloaded from the internet and put on there. Okay. Okay, I lied. All right, it's fine. I put it in there from the internet. All right, I didn't draw it because I can't draw that well. So with the drawing itself, yours is not internet based. You're drawing it on any piece of paper you have at home. I do want you to label 5 things off of that also that would be adaptations for the animal that we've read about, we've learned about, or seen. So like you can see I put a couple little lines in here to kind of show the diagram. Okay, so scientists definitely are going to be sketching out. They're going to be modeling things. And I'm just going to put a text box here. So I might say, hooves for keeping their feet safe. Oops, safe. Okay, and I would probably need to stretch that up here a little bit more. I might say on this one, strong, if I can spell right, powerful legs to run fast. Okay. So that is kind of what I'm looking for, is hand-drawn picture. Again, taking your time, that's what I'm basing everything off of. 5 adaptations that we have talked about with the animal. Okay, like I could put in there about the mane. The tail I was going to put in there for keeping bugs and stuff off of them, so they swish it around back and forth to keep bugs off of them. Okay, just for direction-wise, keep it short. We'll just give those there. So 5 of those, hand-drawn thing, taking your time. Once you are done, if you can take a picture, email it to me. If you can scan it, you can email me a scan. You can also get on ClassDojo. We did the the Cell Cities on ClassDojo in the portfolio, so you could upload it through ClassDojo portfolio. Or if your parents have an account, they can email it to me. Just some way, send it to me. I want to see how well you did on it. Again, with 5 things on there. If you have the adaptations, if it's hard to read on your picture, maybe you can just type me up a list of what it does say too. Okay, hopefully you have fun. And here's a little hint. So come closer. It's totally a secret. Don't tell anybody else. So you're not coming close. Come closer to the screen so that you can hear me well. Okay? You can use YouTube to find a drawing video, because that's what I would do, because I'm not that good. Okay? So realistic drawing, find one. I do want to clarify, if it is the Galapagos tortoise, you're not picking any tortoise, any turtle, anything like that. I don't want a sea turtle. I want a Galapagos tortoise. If you're drawing an elephant, make sure you find an African elephant best you can. Okay, I know there are going to be some variants. If you find a zebra, just give me a zebra. It doesn't have to be the plain zebra. Okay, so hopefully that's there. If you have any questions, email me, let me know as you get started tomorrow for Friday. And have a great weekend. Hopefully we will see everybody soon again there. Peace out.